This ETF is so simple most people ignore it. Yet it has quietly created more long-term millionaires than almost any strategy on earth. No stock picking, no market timing, no stress. In this video, we're breaking down VOO ETF and why this ETF has everything you need to become financially free. Part 1. What is VOO? VOO is Vanguard's ETF that tracks the S&P 500, meaning when you buy VOO, you instantly invest in 500 of the largest, strongest, and most influential companies in the U.S. economy. Instead of betting on a single stock, you gain exposure to the entire market, spreading risk while positioning yourself to grow alongside America's biggest winners. Part 2. Key characteristics. VOO has one of the lowest expense ratios you'll find, just 0.03%. It's massive too, with about $823 billion in assets under management, holding roughly 500 of America's largest companies. VOO pays dividends quarterly with a yield around 1.1%, giving you both growth and income exposure. Because it tracks the S&P 500, it automatically adjusts its companies over time and provides broad diversification across the U.S. economy, all while keeping costs incredibly low. Part 3. Top holdings. VOO is built around the largest and most influential companies in the world. Its top holdings span critical sectors such as information technology, communication services, consumer discretionary, healthcare, and financials. Inside the fund, you'll find industry leaders like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, Amazon, Tesla, Eli Lilly, and JP Morgan Chase. These aren't hype-driven stocks or short-term trends. They are the engines of the U.S. economy and major forces shaping the global market. Part 4. Performance. Since its inception, VOO has delivered average annual returns of around 14.8%, and the long-term trend is clear. The S&P 500 has consistently moved upward over the past century, even through crashes, recessions, and wars. The key isn't trying to time the market. It's staying invested, and VOO rewards patience, steadily growing wealth for those who stay consistent and disciplined. Part 5. Why invest in VOO? VOO is perfect for investors who are focused on building long-term wealth, don't need immediate income, and have confidence in the strength of the U.S. economy. It's an ideal choice for those who value simplicity over stress, because this ETF is designed for growth first, letting your money work quietly and consistently, with income coming later as your portfolio grows. Part 6. Real-world example. Let's say you invest $100 per week into VOO for 30 years, and it continues to average around 14.8% as it's done since inception. Your portfolio can grow to over $2 million. If you enjoy ETF breakdowns, subscribe for more.